Okay children, let's move to the next exercise children. Just look at here children. Look at the picture and make words by joining the correct blends. First we have to look at the picture. Okay, then we have to find out the name of the picture. For example, just tell me what is this? Yes, this is scale. Very good. This is a scale. Okay, just find out the first blending letter. Sp, no. Sk, yes. This is a correct answer. But let's try another also. This is st, no. Z, sk, sk, yes. K. And the remaining blending letter are given here. Just pick it at one. Scale. Scale, yes, this is the correct answer. But let's try the remaining two thing also. Scade, no. Scroll, no. This is a scale. Yes, this is a scale. Very good. Just write it here. Yes, C, A, L, N, E. Scale. Very good, children. Okay, let's look at the second picture, children. This is a slate, not the, you should not say this picture name. This is a slate. Yes, in slate they have drawn the home. Okay, look at here and say this is a slate. Yes, slate. Let's try the first blending letters. Sp, no. Sim, no. Sl, yes, this is a correct starting letter, and the matching letter, remaining matching letter, we'll see the remaining matching letter. Slate, no. Slate, yes, this is a correct one. But let's try the another thing also. Sleet, not the sleet, this is a slate. We need a R sound. Slate, yes, this is a correct remaining blending word. Okay, let's write the slate here. S, L, A, T, and E. This is a slate. Okay, let's see the next picture. I think you don't know the picture name. I will tell you. This is a spade. Okay, this helps to dig the sand. Okay, this helps to dig the sand. Okay, it helps to dig. Dig means it's to pull the sand out. Okay. This is a spade. What is the sound here coming? Sp. Yes, SP sound coming. Let's search for SP. Yes, here given SP. Just put a circle it. Stay. It's not a stay. It's not a skate. It's a spade. Spade. No spade. This is no spade. Spade. Yes, this is a correct one. Spade. Spade is an instrument which helps you to dig the sand out. This is a spade. Yes, P-A-D-E, spade. Look at the next picture, children. Yes, you all find it very correctly. What is this? This is snake. What sound you are coming? Snake. Yes, N sound is coming. Let's search for the two words. Not snake. Yes, this is a correct. But even we will try this also. Skate. It's not a skate. It's a snake. Okay, just search for a remaining blending letters. It's not snape. It's not snake. It is a snake. K sound you are coming, isn't it? This is a snake. Let's write this. Let's write the letter in the box. S, N, A, K, and E. Snake. Okay. Let's look at this picture, children. What is this? This is not a rock. This is a stone. Stone. Okay. Let's try the first set of word. Stone. Yes, this is the correct. We'll still search it. Find out the better option also. No. Snow, no. Then it will be a correct answer. Yes, T, the sto. This is the correct one. Okay, remaining letter, we will find out the remaining letter. Stoke, no. Stop, no. Stone. Listen here, this is A-O-N-E. One. Stone. Yes, this is a stone. Let's write it in the box here. Yes, T-O-N-E. E, stone. Okay, let's look at this picture, children. She's a girl. She's skipping. Yes, she's a skip. Okay, let's try the word sk. Sk. Yes, this is the correct word, I think. Let's try the remaining two thing also. Sp. No. St. No. Sk. Sk. Very good. Let's find out the remaining letter. Skirt. No. Skip. Yes, this is a skip. This is a skip. No skim, not it's a skim, it's a skip. Ip, P sound is coming. Let's write it here. Yes. K I P, skip. Okay, children. First, we have to find out the picture name and the starting letter and the ending letter. Okay. This is a scale. S C A L E, scale. This is a slate. S L A T E, slate. This is a spade. S P A D E, spade. This is a snake. S N A K E, snake. This is a stone. S T O N E, stone. This is a skip. S K I P, skip. Let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's look at this picture, children. Look at the picture and color the initial blend. That is, for example, we have to look at the picture and we have to circle the correct starting letters. Okay, using that phonetic sound. Okay, children, I think you already know the each and every picture. It will be very easy to circle the correct starting letters. Let's try it out. First thing, this is a snake. Just find out. I'm not going to tell the answer. You are going to tell the answer. What is this? Is a snake. Okay, which option will come correctly? I will wait for your answer. Tell me correctly. Okay, then I will give a time for you. Okay, when I count 10 up to 10, you have to answer it. Okay. Okay, this is what is this? This is a snake. Okay, I'm giving a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find out? Did you find out correctly? Yes. If you not, then the correct answer is snake. Yes. Okay. Are you enjoying this? Okay. Let's look at the next picture. He is skating. He wearing that skating shoe. Okay. He is a skate. Okay. You are going to find out which option is correct. Okay. Let's go for a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. Okay, did you find out? Yes, SK. It's a correct initial blend. Skating. Okay, next find out this. What is the girl is doing?